Hey, Forever Runners. So why would I, as a running coach, say that you don't need a running coach? Well, hang tight and I'll explain why. Hi, I'm Herb the Forever Runner. I'm a heart attack survivor, ultra runner, and online coach. And I use my Forever Runner method to help runners in their 50s, 60s, and 70s effortlessly run faster without pain or injury as they get older. So here's the deal. Run coaching is just totally backwards. Now, I really believe that all the stuff that you're doing when you're not running is more important for your fitness, health, and longevity than when you go running. If you can nail all that other stuff, then running ends up just being icing on the cake. Think about it. Why do a majority of runners, like 70 or 80% of runners, get injured every year, time after time? And why, if all these runners are so fit and healthy, why are like half of them over fat or carrying that extra 5 or 10 pounds that they just can't get rid of? Well, that's when you concentrate on things like your shoes and running sprints are just not going to make a difference. What you really need to take a look at is all the other things you're doing. And I like to kind of branch these out as, don't eat crap, move during the day, do mobility work, and muscle up, do some strength training. Now, all this stuff has a direct impact on your running. And if you mess any one of these up, that's going to create those muscle imbalances or those dietary inflammations and things like that. They'll continue to keep you over fat or overweight and low energy. So when I put together my Forever Runner Method program, it's a 9-step program, but only 2 of those 9 steps have anything to do with running. The rest of it covers the rest of the stuff. So when I say you don't need to hire a running coach, what I'm really meaning is you need to hire a health coach. I just happen to be certified, a Primal certified health coach along with my run certification. But what that means is I really believe especially for us runners in our 50s, 60s, and 70s, that we need to focus on everything that contributes to our fitness and health, and just focusing on some run training plan isn't going to get you there. It's so important to get your metabolism to be efficient, to get your aerobic system to be efficient, to get your running gait to be efficient. And all of this takes things outside of running to accomplish. So if you're thinking that you need help with your running, you probably need help somewhere else that will dramatically affect your running and your enjoyment of running, and will enable you to keep running forever. So next time you think about hiring a running coach, think about hiring a health coach, and even better yet, give me a call and let's talk. See you in the next one.